Hello everyone, my name is Gaurav Kohli. This is my Module 1 Comprehensive Practical Task. In this task, I develop an interrupt with Sense Think Act embedded system using an Arduino Uno in the walkway simulator. The main purpose was to understand how interrupts can help embedded system respond to different levels. As you can see in the system components, these are the main component I use in my system. I use an Arduino Uno, 3 push buttons, door, window, emergency sensor, and a red LED as the alarm. The resistor is used to protect the LED. As we can move forward, here I have explained the sense think act model. In the sense stage, the Arduino receives input from 3 sensors. In the think stage, it checks which sensors are active and decide whether there is an alarm condition. In the act stage, Arduino controls the red alarm LED displaying information in the serial monitor. As you can see from this figure, there is an output by the name of heartbeat message in the screenshot. As you can see, system heartbeat. The screenshot shows my time 1 interrupt. It generates a heartbeat message every second, which shows that the embedded system is running correctly. As you can move forward to figure 2, figure 3, and your figure 4. Here I also explain the evidence for door external interrupt and the window pin and the change in interrupt and the emergency alarm. Moving forward, there is an interrupt implementation. For the door sensor, I use an internal interrupt on digital pin D2. When its state change, an interrupt is triggered. I kept the interrupt routine short by using a flag, and the main program performed the actual processing. At pin change interrupt, for the window and an emergency sensor, I use pin change interrupt on D8 and D9. I also figured timer 1 to generate an interrupt every second for the system heartbeat. After that there is a topic by the name of system logic. This section explains my decision logic. If the emergency sensor is active, the alarm turns on immediately. Alarm also turns on if the door and the windows are active together. If only one sensor is active, the system stays in a warning state and the alarm remains off. Then we can move to the testing and result table. Here are my testing results. I separately tested the door interrupt, window interrupt, emergency button, timer 1 heartbeat and alarm logic. As shown in the table, all of these tests passed successfully. Then we can move forward to the conclusion. Overall, this task successfully demonstrated an interrupt-based embedded system using the SenseThinkAct model. I'll learn how to use external interrupts, pin change interrupts, and timer interrupts, and how they can improve the system and the response of an embedded system. Thanks a lot for watching my video. Have a good one ahead.